If you've ever wondered how rehab centers keep their doors open, provide life-saving care, and expand services without charging patients massive amounts of money up front, then you need to know about free government money for rehab centers, a funding opportunity that is transforming the way recovery facilities operate across the country. Every year, millions of dollars are allocated by federal and state programs to help rehab centers improve infrastructure, hire more qualified staff, launch innovative treatment programs, and most importantly, provide financial relief to patients who desperately need recovery support but can't afford it on their own. These funds are not loans, they're grants, meaning they don't need to be repaid, and they're specifically designed to strengthen communities by making addiction recovery more accessible, effective, and sustainable. Imagine a struggling rehab center that can't afford updated equipment or a new therapy wing suddenly getting a six-figure grant to upgrade their services. That's the reality of government-backed rehab funding in 2025. But here's the catch. Most rehab centers don't even realize they qualify for this free money, or they don't know how to apply, so those funds often go unclaimed year after year. This is where knowledge becomes power. If you're running a rehab facility, work with grants that focus on healthcare, addiction treatment, and mental health initiatives because that's where the bulk of funding is being directed right now. Agencies like SAMHSA, Substance Abuse and Mental Health Services Administration, HRSA, Health Resources and Services Administration, and even state-level health departments are pouring money into recovery programs, yet too many organizations miss out because they think the process is complicated or reserved for bigger centers. The truth? Small, community-based rehab centers have just as much chance at qualifying, sometimes even more, because grant makers love to fund grassroots organizations that serve underserved populations. If you're serious about accessing this money, start by identifying the right grant opportunities, preparing a compelling proposal that highlights your rehab center's impact, and aligning your mission with federal or state health priorities. The best part is that these grants can cover a wide range of needs, from inpatient and outpatient services to innovative holistic treatments, staff training, or even expanding facilities in rural areas where addiction treatment is scarce. Think of the difference it could make: more beds, shorter waitlists, better trained staff, and a wider variety of treatment options for people who need help right now. And if you're worried about competition, remember that billions of dollars are set aside each year, and with the opioid crisis and mental health challenges on the rise, government agencies are actually looking for centers like yours to partner with. So don't let hesitation cost your rehab center the chance to grow, thrive, and change lives. Whether you're running a small community center or a larger recovery program, there's free government money waiting to support your mission, but you need to take the first step. Visit website grantsbuddy.com for more information.